Big news! According to Leica rumors, the Leica SL3-S is dropping this Thursday, January 16th, and it's shaping up to be a pretty interesting release. At first glance, it's almost a twin of the SL3, but there's one noticeable difference. The iconic Leica logo on the front will be black instead of white. A subtle change, but the pricing? That's a bigger deal. The SL3-S is rumored to land at €5,200 in Europe, making it a solid €1,600 cheaper than the SL3, which goes for $6,995 in the US. So, how is Leica cutting costs? The biggest shift is the sensor. The SL3-S steps down from the flagship's ultra-detailed 60.3 megapixel full-frame sensor to a more modest 24 megapixel sensor. But don't write it off yet. There's a clever trick up its sleeve. If you need higher resolution, it features a multi-shot mode that combines multiple photos into a single, ultra-detailed shot. Depending on the mode, you can get a massive 48MP or even 96MP image. Handheld, no tripod needed. Now, let's talk speed. The SL3-S comes with a reworked autofocus system that's reportedly way faster than the SL3. How fast? We're talking up to 30 frames per second with continuous autofocus. That's a big leap from the SL3's 5 FPS, or 15 FPS without continuous autofocus. Clearly, Leica's targeting action and sports photographers here, speed over resolution. So, what do you think? Is the SL3-S the perfect balance between speed and resolution, or is it missing something you'd want? Drop your thoughts below and hit that subscribe button for more such videos. Catch you in the next one. Peace.